अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू। um, हेलो, कैसे हैं आप लोग? होप यू आर डूइंग फाइन। um, uh, I was thinking to soon start a podcast about uh, human health because there are a lot of misconceptions about different systems of the body, and uh, I hope to start it soon. Uh, I'll try my best to explain uh, each and every system of the body anatomically, functionally, and pathologically. Like if the function is disturbed, what pathology will uh, generate, and then some complicated cases like male male sexual problems, female sexual problems, and the misconceptions, uh, and other systems which are very important, like renal system, gastrointestinal system, and what you can say, uh, nervous system, because nervous system is very important. So in all these systems we should know first the anatomy, like which part of the system is working how, and if and uh, what are the physiological changes that bring about, and if there is any kind of you can say irregularity or abnormal situation, unhealthy, you can say unhealthy a mind or unhealthy body. So inshallah soon I'm going to start it, and um, even I'll try to uh, find some volunteers who have a lot of questions about anything. Uh, we'll schedule it as per system, and we'll discuss different possibilities which can lead to different conditions, not a single condition. Suppose any kind of cancer, especially in female, the breast cancer, uh, or the lumps in the body. They are not just superficial symptoms. There is something deep inside it. We will discuss what causes them, what lead a person to uh, that condition, and what would be the preventive measures to um, overcome them. So, inshallah, I'll try my best to make it very clear and simple to you guys. And please pray for me. Pray for this venture. Lots of love. It's homeopathic Dr. Ehsan Ali, and see you soon with some important uh, topic, and hope you will engage with it, and hope you will learn a lot of things. Uh, Maybe some topics would be very bold, so still you need to know what's going on, what's the anatomy, and What are the pathological uh, consequences if the anatomy and physiology is disturbed? So, thank you. I'll see you soon. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum, friends. Assalamu alaikum, Alamgur. Assalamu alaikum, Ladla. 1096 Shweb. And hope you will enjoy my explanations about any kind of uh, bodily system. And if you have any queries in your mind, if you want to understand the condition which may be in your family, in your surroundings, in your friends. So, inshallah, I'll try my best to explain that to you. Um, well, my goal is to just educate people about the basic anatomy of the human being, which most of the people confuse. Uh, like somewhere I heard that some very famous yogi, I don't want to mention the name, very famous yogi, and he was telling the cure for coronavirus, and he said, just take 2 tablespoons of mustard oil and swallow it, and it will go to your lungs, it will clear all the viral content, all the viruses, and those all will be excreted in your digestive system. So, first of all, how can a respiratory system be linked with digestive system? Something you are taking in. You're not inhaling mustard oil. Definitely, mustard oil is going into your esophagus, then stomach, duodenum, small intestine, large intestine, and through rectum. It will pass out. So, what's the relation between lungs and swallowing mustard oil? So, these are very, very simple misconceptions, and people who are unaware of these things, they simply go for it. Wow, this is the remedy, and we should follow it. And if you should follow it, come on, you are taking in mustard oil, you are taking calories. There's nothing to do uh, with coronavirus. Uh, so, uh, uh, so I'll try my best to explain such things also. I'll try to explain the human anatomy, and after that, I try to explain. I'll take only one system at a time. I'll try to explain different parts of that system, the physiology of that system, what the main function of that system is, and if the system is disturbed, the physiology is disturbed, it leads to a condition, pathology. Pathology means disease state, uh, study of disease. So we'll cover that all, and hope you will definitely enjoy uh, these things. So, wish me luck that uh, I I I'll be able to clear a lot of misconceptions, and make you understand a lot of systemic physiologic pathologies, which is very important nowadays. So, thank you for joining. Uh, Thank you, Hazan Tariq. Thank you, Sikandar Afzal. Uh, and maybe I'll call you someday for the podcast also to discuss about any system, because you have a very good surgical knowledge uh, on a lot of systems. So, uh, uh, hope to continue this uh, podcast very soon. And please pray for me, and stay blessed. अपने आप को सेफ रखिए, और अपना बहुत ज़्यादा ख्याल रखिएगा. टेक केयर. अल्लाह हाफिज़.